Hi all, welcome back to Cessna Home Cockpit. As you can hear in the background sound noise, the 3D printer is still printing, but I'm working on something new. I'm trying to make the Saitek yoke more responsive. So I'm going to connect the potentiometers in the yoke, which are over here. This side, those 3 wires, and those 3 wires. I'm going to connect them to the bodnar board, which is in fact in the inside of the GPS. This is GPS. You see the bodnar board on the right over here. I'm going to connect the potentiometers to those connections, so that I don't have to use the electronics from the Saitek yoke, which are located over here. And this is the problem. Those electronics become very irresponsive in the center. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to connect those wires to the bodnar board. I will do that by using a cable and then connectors shown here. There's I think 16 pins connections. Also the cable has 16 pins. So it's a very cheap cable. I will make the connection from the board to the contact point, which I will put inside here. So, and then the wire will go from the outside to the outside of the Saitek yoke, and so I can remove the USB cable so that it's no longer used. What you can also see on the inside of the yoke is that I used rubber bands to instead of the springs. This gives a much better response, and I connected them with tie wraps. I don't think you can see it because they're black. They're over here. Here's a tie wrap, as you can see, and here's a tie wrap. This is connected to this plastic part. And then very easy, I put 2 screws, also with tie wraps, connections over here and over there, to make the rubber band connection. What you can also see is how I extended the shaft of the yoke. It's disconnected for the moment. It's actually this is the original shaft. This part I extended it with this part and this part, which are connected by a screw. Very easy. What I'm now going to do is also make the wiring from some of the buttons. I want to push the talk button, the red button on the back, connect it through a wire through the shaft to the bodnar board via the same cable I have mentioned here. So that's what I'm doing. I hope it turns out fine. The problem with the Saitek yoke is that it's very difficult to control the plane, for instance when you are landing, and I hope by replacing the board by the bodnar board, which is here, that the yoke will be more responsive. I have also printed already the handles for opening the windows. I will show you them in a new video. Have a nice day, and I'll keep you posted. Bye bye.